First of all, I want to say thank y'all for having a little lunch with me today here at Manny's. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, sharing a little lunch today. But of course, today is March 7th, which is Maintenance Appreciation Day. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. But I just want to say a couple of things to you. First, I want to say that, we got 17 total people on our maintenance staff in Spartanburg School District 2. You think, is that a whole lot of people? 17 people? It ain't a whole lot. It really not. And especially because you serve 14 schools, 17 total facilities in our district, and I think it's about 2 million square feet that y'all guys take care of each and every day to make sure that our students have what they need so that they can do the schoolwork they need to do. So not only do I want to say how much I appreciate you on Maintenance Appreciation Day, but we're going to take today, because we haven't done this in the past, and I think it's very important that we do it, is we want to celebrate all of you guys as our difference makers of the week for Spartanburg School District 2, because I know the work that you do, and you do it with very few hands, so I just appreciate you guys so much. And we got the Manny's folks here going to help celebrate you guys. Woo!